This is the Benu Euphoria. It arrives in the Benu box that is a white box. You lift the top off, and the top does have some script writing and Benu logo. The bottom of the box is just white, but you do have the name of the color on the bottom on a sticker here, and this one is Vodka on the Rocks. And this is going to be a broad-sized nib. Let's set that aside for just a second. In your box, you'll have an ink cartridge provided, as well as your product information and information about your lifetime warranty. Your pen is safely packaged in this little sleeve. The end, you just pop open the tab, and then the inner tab, you can reach in and get that and pop it out, and then your pen slides out. And we'll set that sleeve aside. This is your Vodka on the Rocks fountain pen by Benu. Benu is a Russian fountain pen company, and they lean towards the fantastic. Their pens really catch the eye, and they're hard actually to see in pictures and on video because they really catch the light. They have just a beautiful combination of colors in their resin and an amazing amount of sparkle. They just sparkle. There are 11 different colors to choose from when you're looking at a Benu Euphoria. All of them have the resin barrel and cap. Center black portion at the bottom of the cap. It's a screw-on cap. They have the spring metal. Oh, no, it's not spring metal. It's a lever function clip, which I do prefer. It's nice. Silver trim. These are cartridge converter pens, and they do take a standard international ink cartridge. So while they do provide you with an ink cartridge when you purchase your Benu Euphoria fountain pen, you can use any standard international ink cartridge that you prefer. The nib is a number 6, and it's made of stainless steel. The overall design is great because it's not too oversized, but it's not as small as a lot of pen designs are. I like the size. It's solid without feeling like it's too much. At the same time, many might feel like the level of over the top there's no limit for these pens. They bring a lot to the table. This collection includes 11 different color options. 3 of the color options in this set are glow-in-the-dark pens. All the pens feature the same gorgeous resin body design. They all have the screw-on cap, and it's postable. This Russian design is pretty popular. People really go for the Benu pens, and people who have a Benu, typically they want another one. So that always says a lot to me. If you buy one and you're really attracted to it, and then you get one and then you come back for more, you want more from that manufacturer. The glow-in-the-dark options in the collection include Ocean Breeze, Love Story, or Scent of Irises. So this Vodka on the Rocks is not one of the glow-in-the-dark pen designs from the Euphoria collection, but there are 3 that do glow in the dark. Benu even sells a pen holder, a single pen holder that is also made of glow in the dark material. So that's interesting. Ready to fill your fountain pen with ink. You unscrew the barrel from the section here. It arrives with the ink converter already installed, and it is a piston action here. So you turn the top black handle counterclockwise and dip it in your ink, your bottle of fountain pen ink, and then turn it clockwise, and you'll be able to see the ink filling up this clear cavity right here. And once your converter is full, or if you want to remove the converter, you just remove it like this. You just remove your converter, and then instead install your provided ink cartridge that was included with your pen. Either way, so you can use standard international ink cartridges, or you can fill your ink converter with your fountain pen ink of choice, as long as you've verified it's safe for fountain pens. And then you screw your barrel back on to the section, and you're ready to write. So this is just one of your 11 options when it comes to the new Benu Euphoria fountain pen. And we hope you enjoyed it. And if you want more information, or if you want to check out other Benu products or some of your other favorite fountain pen or ink brands, visit penchally.com.